A Sydney doctor banned from practising in the United States is being investigated by the New South Wales Healthcare Complaints Commission. Authorities say they're looking at the work practices of Dr Adriana Scheibner, who had clinics across Australia. Medical reporter Sophie Scott investigates.
Would you like to wind back the clock and feel beautiful again?
This is the video which promoted the services of Dr Adriana Scheibner to Australian patients.
Her eternally young treatments are unique.
Now Dr Scheibner is under investigation by the New South Wales Healthcare Complaints Commission for alleged improper practices. She was the subject of similar complaints in the United States. According to the Medical Board of California, she surrendered her licence to practice there to resolve a disciplinary action. Despite those problems, she received a licence to work in Australia. Patient advocate Lorraine Long says medical boards knew about the complaints against Dr Scheibner and did nothing.
She should never have been allowed to practice. She should never have been given a registration certificate.
According to the Australian Health Practitioners Regulation Agency, there are a number of strict conditions on her Australian licence, including providing every patient with 2 preoperative consultations at least 10 days apart before a procedure, providing written information about the risks, and ensuring patients sign a consent form saying they're aware of the risks. The Australian Medical Association says it will ask the Medical Board to see if proper practices were carried out when licensing Dr Scheibner.
We're only judged by our weakest link, and I'd like to see some details about how many complaints were made and whether action was taken in an appropriate period of time.
The ABC sought comment from Dr Scheibner. Her lawyer, Bill Calancis, didn't respond to the ABC's questions. Sophie Scott, ABC News.